really taking my time though on the wiring and really made sure everything was perfect.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. What are these subs rated at?
2,000 watts for
Okay.
XP3s.
Got it. Yeah, they get pretty low.
Yeah.
I don't know what your frequency range it likes the most.
For like SPL, it definitely is like 32 to 34.
Okay.
Playing at 32 to 34.
Yeah.
But it'll play good down to like 26 or so.
Okay. Sweet, man.
It's not really set up for this vehicle. It wasn't built for it. It's kind of thrown together.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've really taken my time though on the wiring and really made sure everything was perfect. Not in this boat. When I go see it, I'll make this.
Nice. So what's the story behind the little prongs on the corners?
That was how we got it out of the trunk of the town car.
Okay.
We had to put some chains on it using the engine hoist to get it out.
Really?
Yeah, it was built pretty tight in there.
Yeah. Nice. And you just kept them on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just to look a little closer. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Nick McClure, it's 2 XV3 15s, Saw 8, 1 ohm, 135 amp hour of small cell C-Max. And,
Nice.
500 by 4 only, using 2 channels for the doors. And
Okay.
It's Neo Pro 8s.
Mm-hmm.
They're wired up to 8 ohm on the 500 by 4. Not trying to run too hard.
So this box was not built for the vehicle?
No, it was built for a 03 town car
Okay.
truck build.
Got it. Nice. Come over. What size alternator?
It's a 475 amp brand X billet.
Wow. Do you know the box spec, tuning, cubes, anything like that?
It's tuned at like 29 hertz. I don't remember the cubes on it. It was probably around, yeah, honestly, I don't remember that.
That's all right.
A few years ago about that.
Okay.
Nice.
And SPL tests, if anything yet?
What, you talking about the...
Any kind of score for burps or SPL you've done on it?
Just did that 148.2, 39 hertz. First time on the meter. Windshield.
Yep. Nice. And is better sealed up more than...
Yeah, it definitely was better sealed.
Okay.
Yeah. Want to get the lights?
Yeah. And do you have any plans for it?
Yeah, I want to do a C-pillar wall, 4th order, with 4 of the XV3 15s, probably on 2 salt 12s.
Oh, wow. So you're going to go from this to an actual C-pillar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, C-pillar, hopefully keep the headrest and everything, make it usable.
Yeah. Sweet, man. Yeah, is there a way I can see the alternator?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, and this is like a 470 amp. Nice. It's alright.
Trying to suck shit into my mouth now.
Oh. A plate was sucking into the port.
Okay, we'll try that again.
You're good. Nice.
Alright. You ready?
Yep. Another one? Nice, man. That gets pretty down, dude.
Yeah,
I know you're still a work in progress on it.
Thanks for the demo.
Of course.